Welcome to Redline Review. With its state-of-the-art German engineering and hotel-style furnishings, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome redefines luxury touring. For affluent, tech-savvy travelers, this RV redefines comfortable, fashionable travel. Performance and external design. The facade of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome exudes modern elegance. Its lineage is indicated by the aerodynamic body's lighted three-pointed star symbol, sculpted front fascia, and clean lines. Adaptive LED digital light headlamps and large panoramic windows improve landscape views. Efficiency and quick response are offered by the high-torque 3.0-liter inline 6-turbo diesel engine and 48-volt mild hybrid system. Limited all-electric mobility for zero-emission city access is offered by available plug-in hybrids. The AI-Armatic air suspension offers a plush ride on any road, while the 9G Tronic automatic transmission facilitates seamless acceleration. Details and interior design. The motorhome's interior features sophisticated materials in a creative design. The open living area features polished metal accents, natural walnut wood, and hand-finished Napa leather. With 64-color ambient LED lights, you can create any mood. A large lounge room features Burmester 3D surround sound, a retractable entertainment console with a 55-inch UHD display, and power-adjustable seating that can be made into a queen-size bed. Dining hard kitchen. The gourmet kitchen features an induction stove that is flush-placed, convection oven and microwave combination, intelligent full-size freezer-equipped refrigerator, gorgeous lighting-equipped glass cabinets, stainless steel sink with pull-out sprayer. There are 4 upholstered benches and an extended table in the adjacent dining area. Private suite, bathroom. The bathroom seems like a spa thanks to a rainfall shower, frameless glass doors, a backlit anti-fog mirror, heated tile floors, and high-quality brushed steel fixtures. Large closets, reading lamps, and a memory foam king-size bed are features of a private sleeping suite. Technology and networking. This Mercedes-Benz Motorhome's next-generation MBUX, Mercedes-Benz user experience, consists of a pair of 12.8-inch OLED panels, a voice assistant that speaks natural language, real-time navigation with satellite imagery, smart home integration for remote temperature lighting and appliance control, quick Wi-Fi and 5G access, safety and driver assistance. Cutting-edge technologies for driver assistance make long-distance travel easier. Adaptive cruise control that is distronic. Helpful guiding, evasion of steering, 3D camera in 360 degrees, pilot for auto parking, crosswind stabilization, sustainability and efficiency, roof-mounted solar panels, power interior systems, and a hybrid powertrain and regenerative braking reduce fuel use and pollution. In brief, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome's unparalleled performance, craftsmanship, and innovation make it the pinnacle of luxury mobility. It is perfect for traveling on Europe's major highways or lonely seaside walks because of its style, functionality, and serene comfort.